Safety committee, as I said, every organization has to come conduct a safety committee meeting. Yeah? There are committee members and the chairman. Who is the chairman? The project head of the factory. Manager, who has the project manager, what we call project manager, DGM, AGM, whatever. Who is the head of the operations of the plant? Okay, the chairman, the person who is in safety in charge. Okay, remaining people are all our safety committee members. Okay, because before that, as I said, no, before starting the committee meeting, we will send the agenda of the meeting. Okay, agenda. What are the agenda? What are the issues are happening in the present situation in the industry? And first we are starting with statistics report, audit reports. As now you can see in the screen, analysis of inspection reports, consideration of safety representative reports. Usually, what the thing is correctly going on the site, we are providing in the with proofs, with projector. Meeting is going on with projector screen. Everything is visible. There is, if someone said we as a safety manager or safety representative, he will show the picture of actually what is going on. So this is the wrongs. This is the wrong is going on, and this will be picturized. It shows all the committee meeting, all the committee members. These are the wrongs are going on in our project. Okay, even project manager will take a decision. What are the why it is happening like that? There are so many issues we are raising in committee meeting. Okay, I see the developing and monitoring of work safety rules and safe system of work. If safe system not working properly, means we will take some photos or permits, whatever, and we will show that in the project manager. Project manager will tell that section where who are the deviating the procedures, and he will tell project manager. They will give the deadline for that according to the priority. According to the priority, we will deadline close in the meeting. All the points are recorded. What is the point number 1 and concern that concern regarding to which department, and it's happening in which block, and time scale given for the closing of the point. Okay, suppose there is some height work is going on, there is no proper handrails and something. No, we will raise the point in the meeting. They will provide immediately. Okay, that there is a time scale in that. Okay, that is everything is recorded. After that, after the meeting, we will record the points and take signatures of all the committee members, and these points will discuss in the next meeting. Next month meeting, this will be next we will discuss what are the previous meeting points. First, the starting with last meeting points. Okay, last meeting points we will discuss why it's not closed, why it is not closed. So, answer has to tell from the department heads why it is not done. Okay, you understood my point? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understood.
Coming the committee meeting, and the next committee meeting, when we are joining with committee meeting, next meeting, what are the previous committee meeting points are discussed. Why it is, how much we discussed last month the committee meeting, and what are the points are closed, why it is not closed. Is there any lack of management support, whatever. The development, everything we will discuss in the committee meeting. Okay. Consult appraisal of effectiveness of safety training. What are the training? Starting with the statistics report. What are the how many man hours we have reached? How many trainings we have conducted? And how many safety induction has given? New people came. this week, this month, and uh, uh, and uh, and what are the PPE we have in the store, and is it requirements? They are planning means next month some more persons are coming. Means in that committee meeting they have to inform us. This month we have stores in charge also will there, na, and then they will say. He said that we don't have that much of stock, means PPE they will raise. Project manager means who is the chairman of the safety committee meeting, he will tell so and so will purchase these things for the next month. We are planning everything is for the safety. Everything about the our factory require safety EHS requirements we will discuss on the meeting. Establish link of with appropriate inspectors, monitor adequacy of health and safety communications, constant appraisal of effectiveness of safety training, develop and monitoring of work safety rules and systems, analysis inspector report, consideration of safety representative report. These are the reports. All the reports are we will discuss in the committee meeting and resolve the issues. Okay. Shall we go over next slide? Hello? Hello? Shall we go for next?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Save establish effectiveness of committee meeting. Okay. Clear terms of reference. So, suppose you are the safety guy in the meeting, no? We have the terms of reference. If you making some issues, raising some issue, that reference photos or videos, whatever, should be represented in the meeting. Balanced representative. That is also comes inside. Influence in decision making. While decision making, make influence with the project manager. Respect of management and workforce. They should respect the management and as well as workforce. The people who are working there per month, they are under with working under with us, means we cannot say anything. We have to give respect the management. Okay, the top to the bottom, whoever and whatever is designation, maybe manager, maybe worker, maybe welder, whoever it may be. Okay. Commitment from members. There is a members. I said committee members. No. They need a commitment from members. Then only the effectiveness of the committee. Okay. It means the effectiveness of the committee meeting. This one now we are discussing. Good leadership and chairmanship. Good leadership and chairmanship. Who is the chairman? The head of the means the project manager, AGM, DGM, whatever it may be. The head of the project or industry. That one who is dealing with operations completely. All the issues go to and resolve the. I will ask. Chairman will ask. Okay. He is the chairman. Safety person is the secretary. Okay. Access to information specialist advice. Is there any access to information, any specialist advice given for this one? No? We have to consider for. We have to consider in that meeting. We will discuss regarding that point. Okay. Formalized procedures with agendas. Yeah. If suppose no. Recorded. Everything is documented. Suppose in this meeting, no, we have discussed. We have an agenda for this. Next month, we should conduct 10 trainings for the work at height, the people who are working confined space, and whatever agenda. The procedures, agendas, no, proper agendas has to given. Relevant agenda items. Agenda should be relevant to the safety. Okay. Agenda not led by industrial relations. Our industry agenda should be not led by means not related. Agenda not led by industry, within the industry. Our industry, there is any, no, it means agenda led by means. Our scopes, our scope or whatever regarding the safety within the our industrial relation. That type of communication should be done in the point should be discussed in the meeting. Okay. Who is the chairman of the committee? Can you please someone? Please tell me. Who is the chairman of the committee? Hello? Hello? Is I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Who is the chairman for the safety committee meeting? The person who is leading the project. Project manager or project head, AGM, DGM, whatever. Okay? Project manager. The secretary is who is the safety manager. Okay? In behalf of that person, then if he is not available, the second person, if the person who is working under with him, he can also attend the meeting. Okay? Suppose there is no safety manager on that day. He is on leave somewhere. He is in the second assistant manager will conduct the meeting. Okay? And the safety culture, it is the main important part on the industry culture. Depending upon the culture, good safety culture, we have to introduce and develop in the organization. That is the main part of the safety team. Okay. The product of individual and group values, attitudes, competences and patterns of behavior that determine the commitment to the proficiency of an organization towards organization health and safety performance. Okay. The values, discussion, group values, attitudes. These are means culture means it's like a teamwork. They are discussing. If there is a team, it means the values of the people, individuals will discuss and do the work with a teamwork. With a teamwork. If there is a teamwork, means there is a good safety culture. Okay, you are working for the organization, not for the individual. That in the safety culture, it says the attitudes, competences, behavior, determine the commitment. Commitment regarding it's not for individual, it's for the organization, health and safety organization. Okay. It's a teamwork. It's like it's a safety good culture is there. No, suppose we are 5 members are there. So suppose we are now in the group we are 6, and we have a good culture means communicate. Good. We will communicate what would do the next, and everyone we are gather share the values while doing any task. No, if there is a good safety culture means there is no accidents in the organization. They will discuss. Their good culture means we are sharing their idea. Yeah, I will do this one. You arrange this one like that. Because according to the safety, health and safety of the organization. Okay, you understood what is safety culture? Definition, different definitions we have. The meaning is the same. Maybe this is the important question. What is the safety culture? Okay. Shall we go for next?
Okay, sir.
Elements of okay. Someone want to say something? Elements of safety culture. Okay. Control, culture control from policy, organization, development, planning, auditing, monitoring and review. These all we already have discussed. Elements of the safety culture means if there is need a safety culture, we have to control these are the things should be safety policy, organization, development, planning, auditing, monitoring. Monitoring means the inspection and everything. Okay, reviewing, cooperation, health and safety meeting. Health and safety meeting, as I said, we have meeting, committee meetings or weekly meetings also there with that is a weekly separate with the section or team briefings, weekly ones. It's going on. Solution solving meetings. Hence, if there is a meeting, conduct the meeting. There is some issues raising by some any member in the committee member. Any member of the safety committee, okay? Then we'll resolving that meeting, resolve the issues in the meeting. Suppose we don't have in the welding is going on. There is we don't have some face shield. Face shield we have, but it's not quality one. We have discussed, someone is discussed in the committee meeting, that should be resolved. If it is resolving means in the meeting, it's effective. Okay. Communication, management involvement, management and means top management. See, management involvement, if there is management involvement now while the team briefings, while daily, sometimes directors are visiting the site, they show their commitments and proper documentation, team briefing while they're checking team briefings with the communication, team briefing with the while team briefings, top management is discussed with the top to bottom. Everyone has to follow. If top management saying their commitment showing like that, no, if everyone has to follow, okay. Competence, staff selection, information, instruction, training, supervision. Supervision means that there is a work, one supervisor would be there. Proper supervision has to be done. And training has to be provided as discussed. And proper instruction has to be given to the workforce. Information, staff selection. Who is the competent to do that task like that? Okay. Culture indicators. Where there is a good safety culture means there is no chances of accident. It's a teamwork going on. It means teamwork, good team. Okay. Attitude towards the work is also as an indicator. Is attitude towards the work. Okay. And morale. Accident, incident, near miss reporting. If anything happened in the industry, no, that should be reported. Okay. Any accident, incident, near misses report, absenteeism, sickness rating. These are the indicators. If the culture is good, there is a sickness rate is less. Absenteeism also is less. Everyone is calm and interestingly they do the work and they are earning something and they are happy. Okay. These are the culture indicators. Okay. Staff turnover, statutory compliance with rules. What are the government as per the requirements of the the Factories Act. These are the rules, everything as per the Factories Act. No, if you follow with the rules and everything, means these are also the cultural indicators. Complaints about working conditions. Complaints. If there is no complaints from the working conditions, means there is a good culture. Culture shows that it's a good. Okay. Safety culture is nothing. People are all happy and working with safely. With the teamwork. Okay. These are the indicators for the safety culture. Factors that can cause culture to decline. These are the factors safety culture can maybe decline. Non-effective communication. There is no communication because there is a top management there. They have a good. They maintain the policy, procedures, everything they are provided. But up to there is due to the lack of communication, it should be culture should be not developed. Non-effective communication. There is no effective communication means there is no proper culture, safety culture in the organization. Perception of growing blaming culture. Blaming culture, blame. What is the blaming culture? If something wrong, no? If everything, something everything is going on good, no issue. If something happened, no, there is no clear roles and responsibilities. If something wrong because of you, accident has done like that, and someone identifying like you are the culprit, and you are the culprit like that. It's okay. Hope you understand, no? Lack of leadership and commitment. There is no leadership and commitment. These are also lack of roles and responsibilities. There is no leadership and commitment means lack of monitoring. Monitoring means the work is going on. There is no monitoring means and regular inspections. Daily tours means we have to monitor the close monitoring to the activities, work activity. If there is no lack of monitoring, there is a chance of decline culture. The cause of culture to decline. Okay. Failure to implement corrective action plan. Suppose there is, I said some example. Means one hot work is going on here. Okay. There is hot work means any welding or cutting or the work which generates the heat. Okay. Suppose now failure to implement the corrective action means we are requirements every 3 meters as per the procedure. We have to provide fire extinguisher for the work, and properly he has to wear this apron and these welding helmets and good housekeeping. Everything should be there. One fire watcher should be there. Fire watcher means he is always watching the activity. If there is any sparks, anything raising for the fire, no, he will take immediate action. Suppose something is missing, there is a wrong, means we doesn't have some proper aprons and everything. Apron is means this one. Apron, you can see this one. Can you see this is the apron? The person who is working while doing. Everyone see this? My video, my screen. Video. Hello? Can you find my this one? Someone apron, some leather piece is there in wall. Can you see? Hello? 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 Is I audible? Hello? That is the apron. Means that was damaged, okay, to worker. They are complaining to us 10 minutes more to 40 minutes. Even we are not taking any action on that. Sir, our PPE is damaged. The work-related PPE means it is damaged due to the work, sparks and everything. And someone, safety people are also visiting and his manager also visiting. What happened? These are the things are damaged. We have to procure new one. There is no action from the management. And people what will think? There is no corrective action plan. If the damage means we have to take an action on that and we have to procure new one and issue to the worker. Then if we are not providing proper things to them, there is no chance to develop the culture in the organization. Improper working environment. Improper working environment means there is no safe working environment means they are not. There is no chance to develop our culture. We'll, after 10 minutes, class will close. No, 40 minutes. Will go. Some of the external influences, productions related. There is a targets of the productions from the outside. There is influences. But what one we have to give production to the on time, or some many other issues. At the time of they are denying the safety also. There is no priority for the safety. Health and safety seen as given low priority and neglected. If management is neglected for the low priority to the safety, means what will happen? There is no actions will happen, and there is no culture not developed. Culture may not be developed. Improper supervision. If there is no supervision, proper supervision, culture not developed. He has to take care. The people will should people think that someone is there for our supervisor. If something wrong, he will take care of us. Then they will believe. Okay, beliefs and attitudes, everything comes in the culture. Okay, recognition and uncertainty. If there is no recognition for them, no culture will not develop. Okay. Promoting a positive safety culture. Commitment of senior management managers has a good commitment regarding the safety. Health and safety on at every level. For safety, everyone is responsible. Everywhere in the organization. Okay, everyone should take care of the safety. Everyone is responsible. Provision of effective communication and consultation. Should be consultation. Like in anything happened in the organization, no, they will communications, consultations should be done. Provision of effective communication. Okay, effective actions. Provision of training for all level employees. Training. Okay, as you know, the training about training. Setting standards of acceptable behaviors. Learning from experience through monitoring and review. The review means daily inspections, monthly inspections, auditing. And what are the in inspections we found some issues. No? That will be in the review. We'll from experience through monitoring means we have to suppose we did some inspection to the machinery, something wrong. It's we have rectified that one, repaired some maintenance. We know that that should be done, and we are learning from the experience, the monitoring of the and review. It should be continued like that. Maintenance should be done regularly as per the manual. Okay. Equilibrium between health and safety and production. That's a level. Equilibrium means it's a level balancing. We have to go with the balancing with the safety and the production. Okay. Let's go for next. Benefits of good safety culture. If there is a good culture means in the industry, is I'm audible now? Is I think 40 minutes completed. Hello? There is 3 more minutes. Ultimately, you can see we will complete this one. Benefits of positive. If there is a positive safety culture in the organization, means these are the benefits. Health and safety compliance and procedures updated, improved productivity of the organization, improve staff morale, improve company reputation as well. No? Improve reputation also will improve. Lowering rate of accidents. If the culture is good, accidents also will there is no accidents. Lowering of the accidents and near misses. Lowering ill health issues also will less. Lowering damage to machinery. If there is no accidents means there is no property loss on machinery, whatever. Okay, there is no damage in that. If there is accident, there is damage. Lowering staff complaints, there is no staff complaints also. If the good culture is we are developing in the safety. Okay, lowering premium insurance, that the organization have a less premiums has to pay. Absenteeism and turnover for staff turnover, lowering fines and compensation claims. Fines, there is no fines from the government or factory, from the factories inspector. It means we are in the organization is going a good, going on the good safety culture. Okay. If there is a good safety culture in the organization, these are the advantages, benefits. Okay. Understood? Hello?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We will go for a break, with after. You have any doubts, just ask me. Ask me. However, the class will close within 1 or 2 minutes, I think. The good organization always improve the culture, safety culture. If there is a good safety culture means that organization maintaining good health and safety, effectiveness, good. They have good effective health and safety. They are maintaining, and good communications and management commitments. Everything is good. Means that there is a good positive culture is. These are the some I said some indicators also there. Then with that indicators we can say there is a good safety culture or not. Yeah, while we enter the organization, we will find out there is a good positive culture is there or not. Okay. How many people today? Okay. Hello? Is there any doubts? Please let me know.
Sir, explain the premiums of insurance.
Andy?
Lowering premiums of insurance.
Insurances means if there is no accidents means company has to pay low premium of insurances. Okay. Company has to pay paying the insurances to the all workforce. If there is accidents in the organization, if machinery is damaged, means they are purchased completely collapse that machinery, they will purchase new machinery and they are providing the new insurance. New insurance have to pay the company. That is a extra to the company. Even like that, persons also, all persons are insured. Okay, insurance. They made insurance policies to all the workers. If something happen, accidents are happening. Yeah, they have to pay. The person who are left from the organization.